Coach, after that great win against San Miguel,
yeah, they just outplayed us really from the start. From the start talaga, they outrun us, they out-hustled us. Yun. That's why they built that lead na hindi na kami naka-recover. So, just go back and then look forward na lang to sa game on Friday with Blackwater. It happens. We don't want it to happen. Ginebra's 0-2, diba? Entering this game, tama ba yan? 1-2, yeah, entering this game. So, they really needed to win this game. We did not do what we were supposed to do, and they took advantage of that. They took advantage also of us coming from out of town. So, ganun talaga.
Good ba, Coach?
I can't say, no? I can't say. Sila lang naman, mga player lang naman yung makakasabi na walang legs because of course, the overtime game, yung biyahe ng Sunday, yung Monday na maybe, hindi natin alam ang factors pero we can't, we will not find reasons, diba? We will not find reasons why we lost today's game, except that they outplayed us and they outrun us and they shot very well. We could not defend, and we could not score at the same time. So, yeah, that's the story of the game. Because even if we were tired, if we just could defended, then maybe because sabi mananalo kami, but it will not be a 30-point game. And that's what makes it you're feeling worse because it was a 30-point loss. Kung maganda yung nilaro mo at natalo ka, baka matanggap mo pa. But no, we just got outplayed, out-hustled, out lahat. So, yeah.
Coach, thoughts mo on Blackwater?
They're playing very well. I mean, since they changed their import, they're playing very well. Their confidence is high. So, they're a different team now. That's why, diba? It will be a different game on Friday, and that's what I told the players that it's not the same Blackwater that we played in the first game. In our first game.
Coach, despite the loss, do you still see na you're still on the right track kasi 3-2 naman kayo halfway in the eliminations?
The consistency that you want to see from the players is not yet there. The fight is there, the effort is there, but the consistency in the game is, in my opinion, is not yet there. So, and these next few games, wala kang time don't have time to improve in practice because games are one after the other. When usually you improve in practice and then improve in the game. But now you're improving as the games go on. And then you just look at the games and see what you can work on to improve. So medyo, yeah. Mahirap magka-recover because you don't have enough time. Like now, so bukas, anong gagawin mo? Wala. If it was a regular schedule, but then, your game might be Sunday, so you can do something tomorrow or take off tomorrow, but you can do something to improve your game. But no, you're just into game plan. So yun. Pero all the teams naman are in that situation. Hindi ko sinasabi yung dahilan. But every team is going through that. So, ganun din kami. What makes us different? So, kailangan, pagtsagaan nyo na lang kasi ganyan naman talaga yun.
Coach, if it's okay to ask, nabanggit niyo na rin naman yung about something about consistency. Was it also something na na-discuss niyo na rin with Mike moving forward? Kasi may mga games din na parang medyo on and off si
So
Mike.
there are times naman, yeah, there are times on and off, but that's also because you give credit also to the scouting report of the team, di ba, yung depensa. So they're getting to learn each and everyone's game, the import's game, no? And then it's up to the import to make his adjustments to be effective once they take out your normal game.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.